Hi student, this is teacher Alvin. So today we're going to learn order of operations. So if you look at a question laid out for you 1, 2, 3, 4, you will see a lot of multiplication, divide, plus, minus, and even brackets. So how are we supposed to solve this is we're going to use what we call BIDMAS. Okay, so let's go through the memorizing part first. So try to look for brackets. That's number 1. That's the strongest in mathematics. Number 2, try to look for powers like 3 to the power of 2 or 4 to the power of 4. Second is look for powers. 3 is actually you look for division or multiplication, and finally the last ranking is your plus and minus. Okay, so let's do the questions right now. Question 1, 2 plus 3 times 5, always do multiplication first, okay, followed by plus. The one that you didn't do, right, you copy first. So 2 plus copy, now do 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 is 15, and then you go on to solve this. This is going to get you 17. Okay, so that is the first question. Second question, do divide first followed by plus. So I want you to do this one first. 8 divided by 2, that is going to be 4, plus 4 you copy. Okay, so make sure you show this working first followed by this. So 4 plus 4 is going to get you 8. That's number 2. Alright, number 3, it gets more complex right now, so stay focused. Teacher can see multiply minus multiply. So what you have to do is always do multiplication first followed by subtraction. Okay, so let's do the first two. Multiplication first. 3 times 4 copy, gonna get you 12. Okay, so minus copy 5 times 2, that is gonna get you 10. Okay, so do this 12 minus 10, that's gonna get you 2. Alright, so again try to stay focused on this one. So you have to do subtraction last. I can see subtraction over here. You have to do either your division or multiplication first. So let's do that right now. Teacher do 5 times 6, that's gonna get you 30. Minus copy back. Now do 8 divided by 2, that's gonna get you 4. So now you're gonna do 30 minus 4, solve this, and you'll get 26. So that's how you do actually question 4 right there. Question 5, okay, I can see multiplication, minus, and plus. If you check the ranking, multiplication have to do first, followed by either addition or subtraction. Okay, so try to do 2 times 3 first. Okay, try to do this first. So copy 7, copy minus. So 2 times 3 gonna get you 6 plus 5. Alright, so continue to choose either your minus or plus. They are of the same ranking, so you can choose either one. Let's do the first one first. Okay, so 7 minus 6, that's gonna be 1, plus 5, copy back. So you have to show a lot of working, and then you're gonna write your final answer 6. Okay, so let's do this. Minus and multiply, do multiply first. So copy 10 minus 2 times 3, do and get 6. 10 minus 6, that you get 4 for the answer. Alright, so I can see bracket appearing for question 7 already. You have to do bracket first. Look, so 6 plus this one you copy from the question. Let's do inside bracket. So 3 times 5, follow the instruction, 15. Minus 2, copy back. Bring your working downwards. Okay, so now it's just plus and minus. You can choose to do whichever first. Okay, so let's do plus first. So 6 plus 15, that is 21. Minus 2, copy back. Bring down your working. So let's solve this. That's gonna get you 19. Okay, teacher can see plus, teacher can see power, careful, and then multiply. So according to BIDMAS, right, you must do powers first. Okay, indices is power, so do 10, copy, plus copy. Now let's do 3 square. So 3 square is actually 3 times 3. Okay, so this one, that you will get 9. Multiply 4, copy. Okay, show this working first, that we understand. We do this one first. Okay, now look at plus and multiply. You do multiply first. Okay, check the ranking over here. So 10 you copy, plus you copy. 9 times 4. Okay, that is going to get you 36. And then you're going to solve this last. That's how you get 46 for number 8. We are halfway there. Comment down below how many questions you got it right. Okay, so now it's getting harder already. Okay, so let's see question 9 onwards. Wow, a lot of things. Yeah, so teacher can see brackets and teacher can see multiply. Okay, but according to BIDMAS, let's do bracket first. Whatever inside, let's do that right now. So 5 plus 4, you get 9. Minus, copy back. Okay, teacher can see 3 times 2 here. We need to solve. Okay, that is gonna get you 6. Alright, so I know students were confused. Yeah, here got multiply, here got minus. Just follow the ranking. We do multiply first. Okay, that's why this one you copy here and do multiply. You get 6. Okay, continue to solve. 9 minus 6, that is gonna get you 3. Alright, number 10. Ooh, double bracket. So let's solve whatever is inside bracket. Here 20 plus 5 times 4 minus, copy back. Here 3 times 2, solve the bracket, 6. Now do 20 minus 6, that's gonna get you 14. Done. Okay, Okay, now here got power, here got multiply, here got bracket. No matter what, do bracket first, okay? So 4 times 3, go 12. Multiply, copy back. Now do powers. What is 2 square? So 2 square, it means 2 times 2. So that's going to get you 4. Now solve this. 12 times 4, that's going to get you 48. Alright, done. Okay, so let's see this one. I can see bracket over here. So solve this. The rest you copy first, okay? So let's copy 5, multiply, copy, solve this. 4 minus 3, 1. Times 2, copy. Okay, then you just do from here. What is 5 times 1? 5 times 2, copy, and that's gonna get you 10. So that's number 12. 14 right now. So there is a bracket, there is a 5 times. Okay, so I want you to copy this one first because we have to solve inside bracket. Alright, so copy this one first. Okay, now stay focused on inside the bracket. So you have to follow the ranking inside the bracket. Inside the bracket, there is a minus and there is a multiply. So do multiply first. So once again, right, you have to put a bracket because there are 2 things to do inside. So do the bracket now. 16 minus, you copy back. 3 times 2. You have to do this one first. So 3 times 2, that's going to get you 6. Close the bracket. Remember that. Okay, now continue to solve whatever that is inside bracket now. So this one still you need to keep copying. 5 multiply. 16 minus 6, that's going to get you 10. Alright, and then only you can solve this. 5 times 10, that's going to get you 50. Alright, that's question 13. Now I can see divide, minus, and multiply. So go ahead, follow the ranking and do divide first, okay? So 38 divided by 2, that is 19. Minus, you copy back. Now do 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. And then you're going to solve this, right? 19 minus 12, that is going to get you 7. Okay. Oh, okay. Next one, 56 minus, you copy first because we have to do bracket. So copy this, no worries. Alright, inside the bracket, I can see powers we have to do first. So let's do the powers. 2 to the power of 3 is actually 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times. Okay, so let us solve this. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So let's copy 8 first plus 4. Okay, solve whatever inside bracket. So continue to copy 56 minus 8 plus 4, that's gonna get you 12. Alright, solve this. So you can do manual calculation if you are not very comfortable. If you are, then just solve. So that's gonna get you 44. Okay, question 16, I can see plus and bracket, and then there's a power. So of course we do the bracket one first. Copy 4 plus, do the bracket one first. Okay, so 3 times 2, 6. Copy, close, and then you write this square on top, the power of 2. Now continue to solve. What is 6 square? 6 square, again, I write small for you to see. It's actually 6 times 6. So that is 36. So you're going to copy plus 36. Alright, and then you're going to solve this. That's going to get you 40. Alright, that's how you do question 16. This is the last 4 questions. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Teacher Alvin. Okay, so let's do question 17 now. Okay, teacher can see a bracket followed by a square. Alright, and inside the bracket, there is actually a multiply and plus. So we have to solve our ranking inside the bracket first. Okay, so just copy your bracket followed by a square. Okay, so just follow the pattern. Now do inside the multiplication. Here teacher can see 4 times 3 gonna get you 12 plus 2, copy back. Okay, so solve inside the bracket first. So keep continuing your bracket and the square. 12 plus 2, that is gonna get you 14. So you have to do 14 square the next step. 14 square is actually 14 times 14 in case you are not aware. Alright, so let's do 14 times 14. I have to do manually. I pretend that I cannot use the calculator, right? So 4 times 4 gonna get you 16, right? 6, 1 goes on top. 1 times 4, that's gonna get you 4, plus 1, that's gonna be 5. Alright, now 4 times 1, 4, 1 times 1, that's got you 1, write the plus, and now we're gonna do plus. So in the end, teacher get 196. Log in your final answer, and that's actually question 17. 18, so we are going to do the bracket first followed by the plus. So I want you to just keep copying the bracket and this plus 4, just keep bringing the working downwards. Okay, so teacher can see inside the bracket there's a multiply and a power indices, right? You need to do the powers first. So we are going to copy 2, multiply. Now 3 square is actually 3 times 3. Alright, so let's do that. 9. Alright, now do this. 2 times 9, that's going to get you 18 plus 4. This 4 just keep copying downwards. Alright, solve the last one, that's gonna get you 22. So that's actually number 18. Alright, here no more bracket, then we need to check the ranking, yeah? So powers first, indices first. So you do 4 to the power of 3. Oh, this is actually 4 times 4 times 4. So it can be a little bit tricky if you cannot use calculator, so let's do slowly. Alright, so 4 times 4, that is actually 16 times another 4. So I pretend I do not know how to do, I do manually. Alright, so 6 times 4, that's going to be 24. 1 times 4, that's 4 times 2, 6 plus 2. Alright, say it wrongly, 64. Alright, so this is going to be 64 minus copy back. Alright, teacher need to solve 5 times 6 now, so that's 30 right there. So 30, and then you can go ahead and solve this. 64 minus 30, that is going to be 34. So that's actually 19. One last one to go. Alright, so let's see this. So this is 5 multiply, just keep copying back. Now we have to do whatever that is inside the bracket, so teacher just keep doing the bracket first because I can see a lot of things inside. Alright, 2 to the power of 3, we need to solve the powers. Remember, indices is power, right? So 2 to the power of 3, that's actually 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2, let's go, 4 times another 2, 8. Alright, plus copy back. Now 3 squared is actually 3 times 3. So that's actually going to get you 9. Alright, so just keep bringing your working downwards. So copy 5 times. Bracket. What is 8 plus 9? That is actually 17. Now you can safely, ignore the bracket. You just do 5 times 17. So again, teacher do manually. Write the 2 numbers, one on top, then 5 below. So this is actually easier to see compared to you write like this. Take note, you see, it's actually harder to see. So I want you to write the double numbers on top and then write the single number below. Alright, so 7 times 5, 35. 1 times 5, 5. Plus 3, that's going to be 8. So this is 85, yeah? So log in the final answer. And that's actually question 20. So if you really enjoy the content, right? So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Teacher Alvin. And I'll see you again in the next class. Alright, bye-bye.